Hello and welcome again to my channel. Today we'll continue talking about networking and then the basic and fundamentals of networking. In this particular video, we're going to be talking about a MAC address table, which is also known as the CAM table, and how the switch uses it to forward traffic. In this topology, we have Win1 and then Win2, which pretty much is a PC, PC1 and PC2. So PC1 is connected to this switch, and then PC2 is also connected to this switch. The goal is for PC1 to be able to talk to PC2. The switch is brand new switch. It has no configuration. It hasn't been configured. We haven't typed a single command on this switch yet, so we just literally logged in. Right now both PCs have no IP addresses, so the question is, how will the switch know where, or how does it forward traffic without knowing the IP addresses of these switches, of these PCs, sorry. The switch for this traffic using its MAC address table or CAM table. So we will start this by just looking at the MAC address table to see what's on there. Show MAC address table. All right. So like I said, we haven't configured this switch. We haven't done anything with this topology. I haven't configured anything yet. But as you can see from here, it's saying this MAC address is basically coming out of this port, and then that MAC address is coming out of that port. MAC address is pretty much it's an identifier for network devices. So pretty much every network device has a MAC address, right? So we can validate or verify this numbers by first, let's open these up. So we go into Win1 and then we're gonna go to Win2. All right, so close out of here. So for Win1, I did an IP config /all, which is the command that I use. So pretty much IP config /all. And as you can see from here, we have a MAC address. So it says physical address, which is also the MAC address, and it says 50.000.0.0.2.0.0.0.0, which is for Win2. And if you go here, 50.0.0.0.0.2.0.0 is coming out of port gig 01. So if you want to verify, Win2 is coming out of gig, the port gig 01, right? So this switch knows where that PC is connected to. If you go here, we do the same thing for MAC address is 500.0.0.0.0.0.0, and that is coming out of gig 00. So if you go to the topology again, gig 00 where Win1 is connected. So now if you want the traffic from here to go to there, pretty much it will get here, and what the switch will do is look at the MAC address table and then see where to send it to. Okay, right, like I said, we don't have any configuration here, so to test this, we're going to assign an IP address here. Let's give it an IP address real quick. 10.10.10.1. Subnet max 255.255. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing for the PC2. And that 10.10.2. And we're going to do 255 and then 255. So now both PCs have an IP address, right? So then if I try to ping the PC2 from PC1, Telnet2. It works. It works, right? The switch itself it's not aware of this IP address. It doesn't know or have any clue whatsoever about what this IP address is. What it's using to forward the traffic back and forth is the MAC address table, also known as the count table. Thank you.